Ever wondered how to transport your three-wheeled steed without a hitch? The TerraTrike Universal Trike Carrier, UTC, is the brainchild of necessity, transforming trike transportation from a puzzle to a breeze. The UTC's design is deceptively simple. 3 foam pads cradle each wheel, while straps secure the trike to your vehicle's roof. It's a solution that works with both large and small wheels, ensuring your trike stays put, even at highway speeds. But before you hit the road, a word of caution. Test drive in your neighborhood first. Listen for any telltale squeaks that might signal movement. And for longer journeys, consider removing your trike seat or mesh to reduce drag and ensure nothing flies off unexpectedly. For those who prefer to keep their trikes outside their vehicles, the UTC comes highly recommended. It's a testament to the product's utility that even the TerraTrike website boasts more tips and a helpful video guide. When it comes to carrying your recumbent bike or trike, it's all about matching the rack to your needs. How many bikes? How heavy? How high can you lift? These are the questions to ponder. And remember, not all racks fit all vehicles, so choose wisely. For recumbent bicycles, simplicity is key. A hitch-mounted rack that secures the bike by its wheels rather than the frame can save you the lifting and fitment woes. And for those with a trike, consider a rack designed specifically for the task, or if you have the space, simply tuck it inside your vehicle. Finally, if you're over 50 and thinking of cycling again, remember to start with strength and balance exercises. Once you're ready, gear up with the right bike and ensure it's properly fitted. With these steps, you'll be back in the saddle, enjoying the freedom of the open road.